Hello viewers, welcome to this unboxing video review on the Lucky Divination Kuromi blind box figure purchased from Miniso. Alright, so let's take a look at this box from front to back, left to right, okay, top to bottom. I bought this blind box for almost $15 to $20, pretty much the same price as all the other figures from Miniso. Right, and if you manage to collect all 7 of these figures, this is how it would look like. So after analyzing the boxes, this one feels pretty heavy compared to the rest of them. The secret figure looks pretty good. If it looks exactly what it comes with, the table and Kuromi sitting on the chair, wow, I would definitely want this one. But if not, out of all 6 of these, I definitely would like the one on the top right here. Okay, I normally do not purchase or collect these types of figures, but I've already have some of the Sanrio figures from Miniso, so I might as well take a chance to see what I'm going to get and add this one to my collection. Before I unbox this figure, I'm hoping that this figure will scale with my Hello Kitty model kit. And based on the box itself, it's bigger than all the rest of the blind box figures. So I'm confident it is going to scale with this Hello Kitty model kit figure. All right, so let's get started with the unboxing and see what I'm going to get. So looking at it, it feels like a one piece. Got oh, it's the one that's sitting down. And it comes with her little friend and some cards. Wow. Actually, this is pretty good. And let's see, does it scale with it? It's pretty close. Pretty close, actually, not bad. But I prefer this figure to be standing up instead of sitting down. So let's see. That means I got the one that looks like this one right here. Okay. Let's see what else it comes with. Very nice card, actually. Well done. Right, this appears to be pretty good quality. If you are a Sanrio fan and a My Melody or a Kuromi fan, I certainly recommend it. I might have to think about this one to see if I would like to take another chance and get another one. This one seems to be pretty nice. All right. So there you have it. Lucky Divination Kuromi blind box figure from Miniso. Thanks for watching.